All right, key care. Jonathan, have you ever lost a key to a car?
Yep, once.
Okay, what happened? Did you pay to have it replaced? You just took better care of your last key, didn't you?
Right.
Okay, you did what everybody does. But you did end up paying for that key. Okay, any idea what it would have cost to replace it?
$200, right?
At least a couple $100, depending upon the sophistication of the key fob, the chips in the key, the type of vehicle. Look, those little key fobs, they're mini computers. When you replace one of these, you got to replace a chip, and it requires programming. All right, and when I said you did pay for it, even though you didn't pay to have it replaced, here's what I meant. When you go to trade a vehicle in, like today, okay, if you've only got one vehicle or one key to your vehicle, it won't be as worth as much as it would be if you had two keys. Reason being is when anybody buys a car from you privately or a dealer takes it in on trade, they're going to have two keys, because in order for them to resell it, the next customer is going to want to have two keys. So if you had both keys when you traded or sold your car, it would have been worth more. If you only have one key to the vehicle you have today, it would have been worth more had you had a key replacement policy. You'll be glad to know that a key replacement policy comes with every one of our new Nissans and every one of our certified Nissans. It's good for a year. It'll replace up to 2 keys and key fobs, including all the programming for you. Okay? And that comes with the vehicle, complimentary. And by the way, if you plan on keeping your car longer than a year, you can always extend that coverage out to 5 years. Okay? Now, why did I tell him you could extend the coverage out to 5 years? It's setting up the finance office. I want you to advocate for everything that this dealership does. I want you to advocate for your service department. I want you to advocate for the finance benefits. I want you to advocate for your parts department. And when I say advocate, I don't mean sell. What's the difference between selling and advocating? Promoting it, endorsing it, just like that.